Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning, Six Mutiara. How are you today? Okay, so today is Thursday, Khamis, 1st July 2021. Okay, today is the first day for a new month. We have entered July, kita dah masuk bulan 7. And this cartoon says, Hi, how are you? Okay, so how are you today? I hope you are good and you are doing fine at home. Please take care of yourself and please take care of your family. Okay, sila jaga kesihatan and jangan keluar rumah jika tak perlu. Okay, stay safe at home. Okay, so today we will answer your module, your purple module. Okay, page 15. Okay, page 15. Muka surat 15. Okay, Dazzle Goldsmiths, Jalan Impian, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so Dazzle Goldsmiths adalah nama kedai. Goldsmiths ni gold, kedai emas. Dazzle Goldsmiths, kedai emas. Okay, Jalan Impian, Kuala Lumpur. Special promotion for the month of May. Promosi istimewa bulan Mei. Hurry while stocks last. Cepat-cepat sementara stok masih ada. Okay, so ada dua promotion, dua barang. Number one is pearl necklace. Pearl is mutiara, necklace is rantai leher. Okay, rantai mutiara. Rantai mutiara, country of origin from Japan. Okay, quality cultured pearl. Okay, price, harga RM2,000 after 20% discount. Okay, selepas diskaun 20%, harganya adalah RM2,000. Free pearl earrings. Okay, percuma anting-anting mutiara. And item number 2 is gold necklace. Gold necklace rantai emas. Bukan rantai. Rantai lah, rantai leher. Rantai leher emas. Okay, country of origin, it is from Switzerland. Okay, dari Switzerland. Quality is Swiss gold. Okay, the price is RM3,000 after 20% discount. Selepas diskaun 20%, harganya adalah RM3,000. So maksudnya sebelum diskaun harganya lebih mahal. And this one pun sama. Sebelum diskaun harganya lebih lah daripada RM2,000. After discount jadi RM2,000. After discount RM3,000. Okay, based on the flyer given, complete the email with the correct information. Okay, berdasarkan flyers. Okay, flyers ni maksudnya keratan iklan ni lah. Iklan ni. Flyers tu adalah iklan. Lengkapkan email di bawah. Okay, flyers ni biasanya iklan yang sekaping kertas yang biasanya orang bagi dekat rumah-rumah, dekat kereta-kereta. Okay, macam-macam iklannya. Okay, so to ahkong@gmail.com from sweetie@living.my. Subject wedding anniversary gift for grandma. Okay, dia nak bagi hadiah ulang tahun perkahwinan untuk grandma, untuk nenek. Dear grandpa. Okay, dear grandpa meaning that dia menulis kepada grandpa, kepada atuk. Last week I received a flyer from. Okay, minggu lepas saya terima hadiah daripada. Okay, kedai apa? What is the name of the shop? Okay, di sini kan. This is the name of the shop. Okay, there are two items. Okay, there are two items. Ada dua barang for the month of May. A pearl necklace and a gold necklace. Dua barang yang apa? Okay, dua barang untuk. There are two items untuk dijual. Okay, barang untuk dijual lah. For sale. There are two items for sale. You know how to write for sale? Okay, I help you. For sale. There are two items for sale. For small letter. F-O-R, no, small letter. F-O-R. For sale, tapi F ni mesti small letter. Okay, for sale. There are 2 items for sale. Untuk dijual lah. For sale ni maksudnya discount lah. Okay. And then, number 3. The pearl necklace is made from cultured pearls from Japan, while the gold necklace is from... Okay, gold necklace daripada mana? Gold necklace, ni, from Switzerland. Okay, so number 3 dah tahu. Okay. I think Grandma would love the pearl necklace as she loves pearls. It is cheaper than the gold necklace. It costs 2,000 ringgit after what? After discount. Okay, this one. There is even a free gift of a pair of, okay, free gift apa? A pair of pearl earrings. I think the pearl necklace is a perfect wedding anniversary gift for Grandma Love Sue. Okay, so please listen carefully. I have told you the answers. Dengar betul-betul. Saya dah tunjukkan jawapannya di mana. Okay, so good luck.